season is here, and today I'm making pumpkin-shaped bath bombs with mini pumpkin bath truffles. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Diane, the owner of Vermont Lavender, where I make a lot of skincare products like soaps, handmade soaps, shower steamers, bath bombs, body butters, and many other skin-loving products. These are going to be Epsom salt bath bombs. They fizz, they melt, and they leave your skin with soft shimmer, perfect for fall self-care or as gifts. I personally love the scent. It is just amazing. It reminds me so much of the fall season, which is what we're in right now. I'm using pumpkin spice combination with oatmeal, milk, and honey. So it's a nice, like a pumpkin cookie type scent. So it's nice and light. So let's get started. I'll probably just add like a tablespoon of my rose petal powder, because this will probably darken up a little bit. And I also want to add some, these are gold sparkled Epsom salts. And I just colored them, and I do have a video on that. I'm going to add this, so this here too. Then this is going to be more of a decoration with that here. So I'm just mixing this up. So this will probably go to a light tan because the fragrance oil, both of them have vanilla in it. So that kind of like darkens things up. But I love the rose petal powder because it's really nice when you have that in your bath bombs. These are the colored salts. I'm just going to put a few in there. I love salts. And I'm just going to like go back and forth on this. First struggled with bath bombs colors changing over time. Stick with me because I'll share what happened when I tested rose petal powder and how it turned out. For fragrance, I blended pumpkin spice fragrance oil with oatmeal, milk, and honey, as you saw earlier. Pumpkin spice gives that warm cinnamon, nutmeg, and cardamom vibe, which is just so cozy for the fall season. It's creamy sweetness. So together, it smells like a cozy pumpkin dessert without being too heavy, like a pumpkin spice cookie. But you don't smell like that when you get out of the tub. It's nice and light, and it's not heavy in fragrance. It has the Epsom salts in it, and I found when you make bath bombs with Epsom salts, the salt is heavy. And I just want to make sure this is all pressed in there really good and nice and flat. I made one with this, not with this fragrance, but it's a snowflake one, and it's a similar mold that's like this. And I do that one with peppermint. Oh, it's really, really nice. Nice winter one. So I'm going to make sure I get that stem in there. I'm doing leaves. So that's this mold. I made some shower steamers with this. And I have that in another video if you want to see that. There's the maple. So I'll finish doing these and then I'll flip them. One thing I learned that these fragrances didn't discolor my bath bombs, which is great. I was afraid that it was going to actually turn it to a brown color, but it didn't. The base stayed creamy white, which is really the decoration pop of the color. That's what I wanted. A nice natural colored bath bomb. So that isn't always the case. For example, when I use rose petal powder, the burgundy shade shifted to a natural brownish burgundy color, which was okay. So it deepened the rose petal powder color. But honestly, it still looks beautiful. It's just more earthy and natural, which is great. That's the fun of working with natural ingredients. If you want to dive deeper, I have a video called Boost Your Bath Bombs with Natural Ingredients for Skincare Benefits that you can check out. I'll leave it in the link below. I'm also going to be making a bubble bar that complements this, so I get a nice foaming, bubbling bath. And if you want to see that, that's coming up next. Now, here's where it even gets more fun. I made mini pumpkin bath truffles in 2 different styles, and they turned out to be the star of the project. So bubbly, so much fun, and so much creaminess, and my skin felt so soft afterwards. So this is a great project going into the winter season and for the holidays. So I shaped them in 2 different ways. I used a pumpkin mold, which I'll leave the link for that down below, which gives it a nice fall festive look. And then using the ice cream scoop for fun rustic style. And I used a small ice cream scoop. The truffles are scented with orange essential oil and just a touch of energy fragrance oil. So that gives it a nice long-lasting scent in the bath. And it doesn't clash with the pumpkin spice and the oatmeal cookie scent.
That's cool. This
Oh, isn't
little
that
squirrel.
pretty?
Oh, that's pretty
Yeah.
sweet.
Because I made them with cocoa butter, the fizz lightly also melts into the water, leaving it creamy and moisturizing. To finish them, I sprinkled eco-friendly orange mica glitter on top. And when I got out of the tub, I had like a glitter shimmering effect, and I got a lot of compliments on my skin afterwards. And I told them it was because of the cocoa butter. It helped the mica glitter to naturally adhere to my skin. So it gives it a nice shimmery, glittery glow. Perfect for the Halloween season, I guess, or fall season. Inspiration and gift ideas. I finished the bath bombs with a little glitter on top, but you could also add a cinnamon stick or clove bud as a stem for detail. That's up to you. Personally, I like the all-natural part of it, just the mica. You open it up and it's ready to use. You could also pair the large pumpkin bath bomb with a few truffles and a clear bag tied with the ribbons, and you've got the perfect October gift set or market display item. And what I did is I used these cups. They're tall cups. I think they're like 9 ounce. I'll link that down below too. I get it in my Amazon store. And I just put all the bath truffles in there with a little bit of crinkle paper, and you can label it in there. It's perfect. And you can have the bath bomb on the side as a little go-to gift set. So it's perfect for October and beyond, so for the holiday seasons. These bath bombs and truffles are ideal for Halloween spa treats, fall market bestsellers, cozy gift sets paired with scrubs or candles. So if you want to learn more about coloring your bath bombs with natural ingredients, don't miss my video, Boost Your Bath Bombs with Natural Ingredients for Skincare Benefits. And I'll link it here in the description, and then it's full tips to make your bath bombs look gorgeous and skin friendly. And also, if you are interested, sign up for my newsletter so you can get the tips and ideas and recipes that I include only to my newsletter subscribers. So these pumpkin bath bombs with mini pumpkin bath truffles have a cozy fragrance, natural colorants, and a little shimmer for fun. So tell me down in the comment section below, would you go for a cozy pumpkin spice and oatmeal blend, or try a citrus truffle on its own? If you enjoyed this project, hit the subscribe button, check out my blog, and that's in the link below for more bath bomb inspiration and natural ingredients and tips. And if you want to learn how to grow your business or just even make skincare products for yourself, stay with me and you can learn how to do that. And hopefully you subscribe to my channel and enjoy the video.